Did you get any support from Mayor Lenny while filming?
Yeah. Pinuntahan namin siya sa City Hall actually. First day niya sa office, so it was very auspicious day. And we met with her afterwards, after the flag ceremony.
Challenging scene daw. Alam natin yung mahirap umanap ng pondo. Kasi hindi sapat yung binibigay ng Cinemalaya.
Sir Eli, tanong lang kita because you're very vocal naman when it comes to mga political issues.
Kahit sobrang dami namin cast na tao, ang pinakamahirap issue is yung kalaban.
Ano mo, take mo sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa flood control scandal?
Involving a Carabao, tapos parang
I don't wanna,
dahil ang hirap niya
all political, but I think it's very...
For Madam Laga naman po, yung nightline, siguro yung
justice lang.
Sure. Pero
especially the taxpayers,
tragedy. So it's a tragedy that happened during the fluvial procession or yung fluvial procession during Peña Francia Fiesta sa Naga. So may involved ng water element.
And also, another challenge was to
consider na 5 days before martial law.
Yung crowd scene with the thousands of talents. Kasi ang kwento po ay tungkol sa pagpila ni child number ito para makita yung tatay niya. Yung pinaka-challenging. So, abangan nyo po yung dalawang eksena.
Ang pinaka-challenging naman sa Beijing dahil sinut namin siya sa Sibuyan Island at we were working against the forces and elements of nature. So literal kaming pinagyo. Tapos ang hirap palang maghanap ng mining site sa isang isla na nag-exist yung mining. So, doon kami nahirapan. So, kailangan namin
So, ayun, nahirapan kami releasin yung audio doon. Kasi nag-uusap yung actors sa eksena nila. Tuloy-tuloy yung fireworks.
Right now, regarding sa mga
Thank you, filmmakers.
But I do have a solo show in Pampanga this Friday. So, you guys can catch me there.
For paglilitis naman po, yung